So, hello everyone,
Hello, my name is Avigyan.
and myself Shampanath.
So here we are again with another vlog. So today we are going to Domplatz, and in Domplatz there is Oktoberfest is going on.
So, basically, the Oktoberfest will start from September 21 to October 26. For this year, 2024, it varies year to year. For this year, it will start from 21st September. But now, like here in Erfurt, it has already started. So today we will going to show you the Oktoberfest of Erfurt. So let's get started.
Basically, Oktoberfest is an German tradition. To be honest, this is also our first time and visiting the Oktoberfest. To be honest, we don't know much about it, that what exactly it happens and what are the exact historical heritages under the Oktoberfest. So let's see, and we will figure it out together the how exactly it's going on.
Our tram has arrived, so we need to get into this tram. And from our dorm, it will take, I think, 5 to 6 minutes to reach there. Let's go. We have already reached to Domplatz Nord, and now we will get out of this tram and we will show you the Oktoberfest. Here is Avigyan. We need to cross the road actually. You can see the, I don't know what is
Merry-go-round, I
Oh,
think.
merry-go-round. Okay, I don't know the name. Actually, I know, but I forgot. So let's go. We can already see the crowd.
Yeah, actually, let's get inside, then we will talk.
Exactly. I just want to say one thing, that there will be lots of sound and lots of crowd. So I don't know you guys can hear us or not, but we will try to our best to show you the fest. So let's go.
Let's go inside and let's see what happens. We
Yeah.
are also excited.
I just want to show you quickly the area of Domplatz. All the buildings are very old, maybe 100 years old. So here it is. It's already started. As you can see, it's moving. The merry-go-round is moving. But it will look more beautiful in night actually.
In night time, but that's also okay. That's no
Yeah,
issue.
because the light will turn on.
Yeah, in night time, obviously, it's, another kind of aura comes, but here is also okay. That's
Yeah.
no matter. Like, let's go inside and we can watch.
We are entering actually. Before entering, we can see this.
This ride.
Yeah.
You don't know the name of the ride?
But you can say no, because in India also we have this kind of rides.
Exactly.
So yeah,
So till now, what we are understanding is that Oktoberfest is not only about beers; it's a proper cultural fest or fair where you can just go and have fun with your family, your loved ones, and have a nice ride, have a nice food. Till now, but let's see, we will gonna discover more.
we will also here for the first time, and we will explore it with you. And you can see there are some food stalls just like in India, but the food will be not like in India, and the spices will be different, of course. But there is
It's a toy shop.
Yeah, it's a toy shop. Very cute, as you can see. It's another food shop. I don't know what. There is a menu side you can see, and you can order according to that. Oh, in the right hand side also there are some stalls, popcorn stalls. I think it's a chocolate.
I think it's a chocolate shop, yeah.
Yeah, different kind of chocolates. It's amazing.
On the
And
left hand side, you can see there is a lots of shooter game has been playing. So it's also fun actually. It's like India. In India, we also used to do this kind of stuff in fair, but it's also nice.
And here is a beer shop which is famous. Like the Oktoberfest is basically the festival for beers. Oh, there are lots of loud music over here. It's another food shop. People are having food over here. And it's I think some ride actually we can see from the back side. this shop. It's called Aqua Fun. Actually, you can play with the water, and if you win, then you can get the toys. Like not all the toys, you can get only one toy.
As per your scores.
As per your scores, yeah. So it's also good. Again, a store with full of toys. Then it's also an chocolate shop. There is again food. It's very cute. The shop is very cute.
So here comes the section of rides. There's lots of rides. Left hand side, right hand side, in the front side. Wow. And the rides are,
And you can see the church, the big
yes,
church.
yeah, behind that AR Wolf. To be honest, I won't dare to do any of these rides because these are really risky, and like, you know, we just enjoyed by watching it because it's like too hard, you know. Oh my god, just look at the speed. I'm pretty much sure that I really can't explain like how much fun they are having, but it's really risky. I'm very much sure if I speak here, then you will not be able to listen to my words. So just let's focus on the ride and have fun. Wow. Oh my god. Just see the way the machine is revolving itself. My god. Whoop whoop. Oh shit. Wow.
Lots of music out there. You can hear. There's also a shop, and there is also
Candy
a
shop setting, right?
Yeah, it's the candy shop again.
This kind of fairs are basically fairyland for the kids.
Yeah. Lots of stuff for the kids. Oh, amazing.
What kind of thing is that?
Wow.
Is there a ride? Seriously? It's too big.
It's very large. It's kind of monster. Some people are coming out there. There is a people who is wearing a cloth which is, seems like he just have murdered someone.
It's dangerous actually.
Yeah, it's to scare people. And someone is like climbing a rock.
Machine.
Yeah, setting the machines, I guess. I don't know. It's not a human, by the way. It's a kind of a like robot.
Machine or robot, yeah.
Yeah, it's. And there is a theme, I guess.
I think we should get closer.
Lots of characters.
Yeah, lots of characters. Literally can't explain because we also don't know what exactly this ride is about. Maybe it's a monster ride, something like that. We can see some people are coming with the rides and also waving their hands.
Yeah, in front of us, the
What kind
camera.
of situation they're going through. One people is trying to scare us. Oh my god. And also it's a nice makeup though.
From here, you can buy the ticket. It's the entrance of this ride. And there is another toy shop.
Halt die Tore Bremse, weil die Tore immer wieder Spaß und Teilnahme gereicht sind.
Now we are going to a different part.
This part of this fair is almost like an amusement park.
Yeah. There is a ride which is made for kids, I guess.
Yeah, these are for kids.
Yeah. I think it's kind of water park. We will try to show you. This is the traditional dress of Oktoberfest actually. We can find different kind of foods and beer here, as you can see.
So here comes another ride. It's like an amusement parks ride, but it's also nice. Here it goes again, coming back with full speed. Whoa, nice. Just see and have fun. I know where it goes. Wow, here.
As you can see, there are different kind of shops all over this fair. Another cute shop which is very well decorated. It's a beer shop. I think is the theme of Pirates of the Caribbean.
Yes, possibly a Jack Sparrow.
Jack Sparrow. You can see the Jack Sparrow over there, and it's the
It's the main place actually,
Yeah,
where you can actually go inside and have beer.
yeah, exactly. You can have some beer. The shops are very well decorated actually. You can see the crowd. Actually, it's not enough. Like the crowd is just have started.
It's getting increased.
Yeah, because in the evening it will be increased. Now there is a daylight, so not much people are over here. But after a while,
By like 7 p.m. or 8 p.m.
Yeah.
like it will be full crowded.
yeah,
As you can see, the wheel is actually too big. To be honest, I have never seen this much of huge wheel in my life ever.
exactly. This is also my first time.
Yeah, I have went and I have visited many fairs before in India and also in Germany. But to be honest, the size of this wheel is extremely big. I cannot explain how much big is that.
This is the backside of this wheel.
I am very much sure, like, if someone goes top of this wheel now, he can or she can literally see the whole airfoot.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's a bird view, to be honest.
Actually, I have already mentioned, if you want to get the 360 degree view of airport, then you should try this wheel.
So this is the craze of Oktoberfest. Just look at the crowd. To be honest, each and every chair and table are to be honest, each and every chair and table is, emerged with people. It's huge actually.
It's two-storied actually.
Yeah, there's another story where you can go and have fun. So here we come to our exit point of our fair. So if you guys like our videos, then please like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends.
Hope you guys like this short tour of our Oktoberfest in Erfurt, and please support us and share with your friends also, then it will motivate us. And till then, bye bye.